Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? So what's going on? Today video is be very important for all Hedera Hashgraph holder. Definitely, as you can see here the screen, so definitely everything is going good now. So therefore, my friend, I am 100% sure to you will be very, my friends, get a very good profit now. So therefore, if you are watch this video, kindly you will need, my friends, must watch this video, my brother. And this time you could see here 14.96% the price is increased. This is very big pump, my friend, and this time I can't expect this from my friend Hedera Hashgraph to they will pumps up like that. Absolutely, if they will get just an only 2% 5% profit. So I tell my friends to, this is just an only, my friend, for short time investor. They are starting holding, they are starting investing, so therefore the price will pump up, but they will get a 14 point, it's mean to 15% profit, my brother. 15% profit. If some coin, my friend, the price will increase 15%, so that's not a short time investor. Definitely the all holders are starting holding, the all holders are starting investing. And my friends, the company will collaborate with a lot of companies, so therefore the price will pumps up. Hedera has got one of the unique fastest cryptocurrency. I am 100% sure, my friend. Today will also hit now 0.5 USD dollar, just an only, my friend, in the second week. But this is just an only possible if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are stop selling. So therefore, my friend, this is possible. Otherwise, this is impossible, my friend. So the price will be increasing. I am 100% sure. But kindly holder, that's all need, my friends, to if you are hold. So it's the price will pumps up. But if you are starting selling, so they cannot moving upward. They cannot give you a profit. So I just tell you, my friends, to please don't starting selling, hold it. I am 100% sure, my friend, my viewers, so they will pumps up and they will give you a profit. And this time the highest price is 0.3 USD dollar, 0.36. So this time you can see, my friend, also 0.36. Oh my goodness, that's mean to the price will increasing. Oh my goodness, the price is hour by hour, the minute by minute increasing. And this time also, my friend, the very big difference in this time in the highest price in the current price. So that's mean, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph will moving upward. Kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.